I got my Trane Cleaneffects power door back on after cleaning filters, with them in proper placement, and power light and bars will not turn on. What am I doing incorrectly? The door fit back in place perfectly and I'm sure the filters are okay.
Do you have power to the clean effect? There is plug that plugs into it and a off/on switch. It may be hooked up to only run when fan operates. Turn fan to on and check. Russ.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.